What's up everybody, I'm Andre and this is Edible Knowledge giving you the what's what of food from around the world. And today we're looking at 3 seeds that you may or may not already have in your diet and may want to add if you don't. Number 1, flax seeds. Also known as linseeds, they're small brown or tan colored seeds that come from the flax plant, originating from the Eastern Mediterranean region to India. And in just 1 tablespoon or about 10 grams, you will find 55 calories, 1 gram of protein, 4.3 grams of fat, and 3 grams of carbs. You'll also find thiamine, magnesium, copper, and phosphorus. And you'll notice a trend here as all 3 seeds can easily be incorporated into your daily diet. For example, flax seeds go great with yogurt, soups, salads, smoothies, and a whole bunch more because they're so easily digestible. Speaking of easily digestible, many books, sites, and health professionals recommend you ground the seeds first, as whole seeds have a tendency to simply pass through your intestine undigested. Flax seeds are a great source of alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA for short. It's a type of omega-3 fatty acid that improves how the cerebral cortex works. Flax seeds may help in improving digestion, in giving clearer skin, lowering cholesterol, and may help in reducing sugar cravings. However, if you're unsure about adding flax seeds to your diet and are suffering from breast, uterine, and ovarian cancer, endometriosis, or prostate cancer, it's always best to consult a health professional first. Up next, chia seeds. These are small black seeds that come from the desert plant Salvia hispanica. Grown in Mexico, they date as far back as the Mayan and Aztec cultures. And in just 2.5 tablespoons of chia seeds, you will find 140 calories, 5 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, and 12 grams of carbs. You'll also find vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, phosphorus, calcium, and potassium. And like flax seeds, chia seeds can also be used as an egg replacement. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds to 2.5 tablespoons of water. You can also add chia seeds to fruit juice, make chia seed pudding, put them in stir fry, smoothies, and baked into breads and cakes. And get this, chia seeds have more antioxidants than blueberries, more ALA than flax seeds, and more iron than spinach. They may help in supporting strong bones, help you to control your blood sugar, and can also help in protecting your heart. They have the ability to absorb 12 times their weight in water, and because they're considered a slowed digestive food, many people believe that chia seeds can help you stay hydrated longer. When stored properly in an airtight container and away from sunlight and heat, chia seeds can last for years. Or you can just freeze them. And finally, we come to hemp seeds. Originating in Central Asia, hemp seeds come from the Cannabis sativa plant, the same species as cannabis, but a different variety. That being said, hemp seeds may contain only a trace amount of THC, the psychoactive compound in cannabis. And in 3 tablespoons, or about 30 grams, you will find 166 calories, 9.48 grams of protein, 14.6 grams of fat, and 2.6 grams of carbs. Hemp seeds also contain vitamin A, vitamin B, vitamin C, and vitamin E, magnesium, calcium, iron, and zinc. Okay, now there are a couple of ways that you can buy hemp seeds. With the shell, ground, or hemp hearts, which is the inside of the seed without the shell. Though you miss out on the fiber when you eat the hemp hearts, they're sometimes preferred depending on the dish they're being used in. Hemp seeds may help in protecting the brain, boosting the health of your heart, reducing inflammation, and improving skin conditions such as acne. So, any side effects, problems, or things just to be aware of? Haha, of course. In a 2020 review done by the National Library of Medicine, they found hemp seeds to be high in phytic acid, which can inhibit the absorption of iron and other minerals. One older 2007 study by the Journal of Thrombosis and Hemostasis found that hemp seeds also inhibit platelet formation and interact with blood-thinning medications, causing a higher risk of bleeding. And although industrial hemp should not contain high levels of THC, this may still occur in the manufacturing process. A 2017 study of 3 different brands found that some commercial varieties of hemp seeds contained up to 1,250% of the legal amount of THC. And that's all I have for you this week. Just as a disclaimer, make sure to talk to a health professional if you're not sure about adding these things into your diet. Like I said, if you haven't already. And if they're already in your diet, what kind of things do you put them in? Are they in smoothies? Are they in stir fries? Are they in breads and cakes? What do you use them for? Let me know in the comments below. All right, people, I'm Andre. That was Edible Knowledge, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.